A good hug starts with knowing the right moment to embrace someone, as hugs can be comforting or celebratory depending on the context. Whether you're greeting a friend, comforting someone, or sharing feelings, ensure the atmosphere is warm and welcoming. Create a gentle space by opening your arms, smiling, and using inviting body language. Pay attention to cues from the other person. If they don't reciprocate, gracefully back off. You can announce your intentions by asking if you can hug them, especially if unsure about their comfort level. Different hugging styles like the bear hug, side hug, or bro hug may suit various relationships and situations. Ultimately, be genuine, maintain warmth, and respect personal boundaries, ensuring that your hugs are appreciated and comforting without overstepping.